Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. I hope all of you are taking care of yourselves and you are sanitizing your surroundings. That means your surroundings must be neat and clean. Do not throw garbage anywhere except for dustbin. The dustbin must be covered and do not go outside unnecessarily. If you go outside with some reason, wear your mask. If possible, take the gloves with you. And as soon as you come back, please wash your hands for 30 seconds with a soap, or you can use hand sanitizer. Also, eat the food which is cooked at home. That is the best food for all of us. Take care of yourselves and your family. So our today's video for class 2 is for subject science. Let us read a thought as usual before we begin with our video. So what is the good thought for today? If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. So if you want to become powerful, if you want that people should come to you for help, and you want to achieve some position, if you want to be successful in the life, then you have to educate yourself. Means you have to gain knowledge. Like you are watching the videos of different subjects and you are gaining knowledge. You get information, you learn new things every day. So that is how you become powerful. When you know more, then you grow more. So how will you know more? See, K-N-O-W, know. That is a part of the big word, that is knowledge. So you should know, you should get knowledge, and then you will educate yourself. And then finally you will become powerful. So it is that simple. Topics that we are going to cover today is practice worksheets based on the lessons. Like we have brought practice worksheets for you based on the lessons that we have done in science, like uses of plants, types of plants, and number 2 is reading and learning questions and answers of chapter 1, that is types of plants, and chapter 2, uses of plants. We have to read and learn the question answers of this lesson again. And before that, we will solve some worksheets. So let us begin. So our first worksheet is based on the topic cereals. We have learnt cereals and pulses in lesson number 2. Uses of plants. So here is the worksheet. In this worksheet we have to complete the alphabets, missing alphabets, and we have to write the names of the cereals. And what are cereals? We have learnt about cereals, that plants give us food grains. We eat food grains such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat. These are known as cereals. And some cereals are crushed, they are ground to make flour. So we have learnt about cereals. Now let us fill in the missing alphabets with the names of the cereals. So what image can you see over here? The first one. Can you identify what is this? White color starts with R. Can you identify what is this image of? It is a cereal and it is rice. Rice is eaten maximum by Indians. So what will come here? I and E. R-I-C-E. Rice. Let us write the whole spelling. R-I-C-E. Rice. That is our answer. And we shall put it in the blank. See, rice I put it over here so that you can see the image clearly. These are rice. Next. What is given over here? W-E-T. So can you identify this image? This image, it starts with W. So what is the name? This is the cereal called wheat. W-H-E-A-T. The last three words are eat. So it is called wheat. So let us write the spelling once again. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. And we put it over here so that you can see this is the image of wheat. It is also a cereal. Then the third type of cereal, it starts with B. Can you identify? This image, what is this image of? It starts with B. It is called barley. The spelling will be B-A-R-L-E-Y, barley. Let us write the answer. B. So as you can see, I have written the answer B-A-R-L-E-Y, barley. And I put it over here so that you can read it. Barley. Right? So this is number 3, third type of cereal. Then next, what can you see over here? See, it is like light orange color, or you can say yellow. It starts with M. So what is the name of this cereal? It starts with M. So we can call it, what is the name? M-A-I-Z-E. It is maize. Let us write the spelling. M-A-I-Z-E. Maize. And I put it over here. It is a maize. Image of maize. Then last one. What can you see? See, first alphabet is not given. A and S are given. Can you tell me what is this image of? This is a cereal and the name is oats. So let us write the spelling. O-A-T-S. Oats. These are oats and I place it over here. See, here I have written the spelling oats. So 5 types of cereals. We have completed the alphabets in between. R-I-C-E, rice. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. B-A-R-L-E-Y, barley. M-A-I-Z-E, maize. O-A-T-S, oats. These are 5 cereals. Next, pulses. Now we have also learnt what are pulses. See, we also eat grains such as moong and kidney bean, like you can say rajma. So these food grains are known as pulses. Pulses are food inside the pod. See, this will be inside the pod. There will be outer covering and inside there will be peas. Cereals are not found inside the pods. These are cereals and we cannot find these cereals inside the pods. But pulses are there inside the pods. So, we should write the names of these pulses. Let us start. The first one, it starts with M. Can you see this? It starts with M and here is capital B. So, first spelling is with M, second is with B. Can you tell me the name? These are moong. Moong beans. So, let us write the answer. What is the spelling of moong? M-U-N-G. Moong. Then beans. B-E-A-N-S. Moong beans. And I place it over here. So as you can see the image, this is image of moong beans. Second one, very easy. Green color vegetable. It starts with P. So what is this? And last is S. It is peas. So let us write the spelling. The spelling is P-E-A-S, peas, and I keep it over here. See, P-E-A-S, peas. It is the image of peas. Then third one, what can you see? It starts with L. So can you identify this image? It starts with L. It is lentils. So let us write the spelling. What is the spelling? L-E-N-T-I-L. S, lentils, and we put it over here so that you can read lentils. These are lentils. Then next one, G. It starts with G and A is given in between. Can you identify this? Very healthy. It gives you energy like a horse, very strong. So what is this? It starts with G. We call it a gram. G-R-A-M. Gram. And put it over here, gram. Then next one, can you identify this image? It looks like kidney, the shape of kidney. Can you identify this? This is the image of kidney beans. It is the shape of kidney, so we call it kidney beans. Let us write the spelling. K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney. Kidney beans, B-E-A-N-S, kidney beans. That is our answer and we put it over there, kidney beans. See over here, these are kidney beans. Now what have we seen? How many types of pulses? 5 we have seen. Moong beans, then peas, lentils, gram and kidney beans. These are the 5 examples of pulses. Now let us move ahead to the next worksheet. So what is given over here? What do plants need? Circle 4 things that plants need to grow. So all these things are there on your screen. We have to circle any 4 things that plant needs to grow. So which are the 4 things that plants need to grow? Let us see. Does plant need sunlight? Yes, plants need sunlight to grow. So we have to circle it. Then what else is given? Donut. No, plants does not need a donut to grow. Then what is given over here? Air. Do plants need air to grow? Yes, of course. We all need air and even plants need air to grow. So let us circle air. That is also essential thing for the plant to grow. Then what is given over here? Eggs. Do plants need eggs to grow? No. Plants do not need eggs to grow. Then next important thing, what is given? Soil. Soil with nutrients. So the soil is there underground and it makes the roots very strong. So that is important. So let us circle it. Soil is important for the plants to grow. So we have to circle that soil. Soil with nutrients. All the things plants get from the soil. Then, do plants need juice to grow? No, plants do not need juice to grow. Sandwich. Do plants need sandwich to grow? No, it is not necessary for them. Then over here what is given? Water. So do you think plants need water to grow? Of course, plants needs water to grow. So these are 4 important things that plants need to grow. Sunlight, air, water and soil with nutrients. So it will make the root stronger. These are the 4 important things which plants need to grow. Now let us look at the next worksheet. So same from the previous worksheet, we have to circle, we have to find out the words that plants needs. See here water is given, sunlight, air, soil, everything is there. So we have to find out all these words from the maze. We have to circle these words. So first let us search for the smallest word, that is air. Plants need air to grow. So where do you find air? Can you find out from the maze? Where is it? See, A is over here. A-I-R, air. Let us circle. So here is the spelling of air. Plants need air to grow. Here is the spelling. Next, what is needed? Plants need water to grow. Can you find water anywhere? See, W-A-T-E-R, water. Plants need water to grow. So let us circle water. Here is the spelling, W-A-T-E-R, water. Air, water. Then what else is needed? Plants also need, they need sunlight. So let us find out where is sunlight in this maze. See, here is S-U-N, sun, L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Let us circle it. See, sunlight. Plants need air, water, sunlight. Then what is the last thing? We have to find out from the maze, that is soil. Plants also need soil to grow. So where is the spelling? See over here, S-O-I-L, soil. Let us circle it. So here is my answer, S-O-I-L, soil. Plants need soil, air, sunlight and water to grow. Now let us look at the next worksheet. So what is the next worksheet? We store food for the plant. Who are we? Unscramble the words to get the names. So what is this? Under the ground, what can you see? These are the things which store the food for the plant. See, we have to make the right word. This is like jumble alphabets. So alphabets are misplaced. We have to make the spelling with these words. Can you identify what is this? Under the ground, we have to rearrange the alphabets and make a word. So can you identify? See, I am writing the answer for you. What is the answer? R-O-O-T-S. These are roots. Roots are there under the ground and they store food for the plant. Next one. What is given over here? M-E-S-T-S. Can you identify this? What is this? See, this part which is the backbone of the plant. It passes all the food to the different parts of the plant. Can you identify this? What is this? It starts with S. So what is the spelling? S-T-E-M-S. These are stems. Stems are the backbone of the plant. They pass all the food and other things to the parts of the plant. Next, RUFIT. What are these? See, apples are there, bananas are there, orange, peaches, etc. So what do we call them? These are fruits. So let us write the answer. What is the answer? FRUIT, fruit. So when more than one we say fruits, we have to add S. So this is the unscramble. This is called unscrambling. Next, FELA. So we have to rearrange this. What is this? This part of the plant which captures sunlight and makes food for the plant. Can you identify this part of the plant? It is a leaf. So let us write the answer. Leaf. What is the spelling? LEAF. Leaf. And we put it over here. Last one. Let us see. Number 5. DESE. Can you identify what is this? DESE. See, this hand. Someone is planting this under the ground so that plants will grow. New plants will grow with the help of these things. So what are these? Very tiny part inside the ground. You can call them seed. So let us write the spelling SEED. Seed. These are seeds under the ground with which the plant will grow. Now the next worksheet is we have to tick the right option. See what is given over here, seed and size, and we have to write the color of the fruit. So first one is given apple. Apple, does it have one seed or many seeds? So apple has many seeds, so many. Is it small or big? Apple is small in size, so small. And what is the color of apple? It is red color. So let us write the color RED, red, and I place it over here. Red color is apple. Next one, lady finger. So what is the size of lady finger? The size of the lady finger is small. Does it have one seed or many seed? It has many seeds. Then what is the color of the lady finger? Do you know the color of the lady finger? It is green. So let us write green, 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 and I keep it over here. That is lady finger. Next, orange. So orange, does it have one seed or many? Orange has many seeds. Is it small or big in size? It is small in size. And what is the color of orange? Do you know the color of orange? It is itself the name of the color, orange. So let us write orange, ORANGE. It is orange in color. Then next one, what is given? Number 4, mango. So mango, does it have one seed or many seeds? So mango has only one seed. And is it small or big? It is a small fruit. And what is the color of mango? It is yellow orange color. So let us write, it is yellowish orange color. So yellow orange color, you can say. Yellow and orange both. It is yellow orange color. Last one given, grapes. So grapes, does it have one seed or many seeds? So grapes have many seeds. Is it small or big in size? What is the size? Big. Then what is given? Color of the fruit. What is the color of the fruit? The color of the fruit is black green. Let us write the answer, black green, BLACK, black green, black green color, GREEN, black green color. So that is our answer. So I hope you have understood how many seeds are there and what is the size of the seed, and we have completed this worksheet. Same way, what is given over here? Bananas. So bananas, how many seeds? One or many? Banana has many seeds. Then is it small or big in size? The seed is small. What is the color of it? Bananas, yellow color. Let us write the answer, YELLOW, yellow color. It is yellow color. Next, what do you see? Watermelon. Does it have one seed or many? Watermelon has many seeds. So let us tick mark. And what is the next question? Is it small or big? It is big. And what is the color of the fruit? Green. light green you can say. So let us write the answer. Green or light green you can say. So we will write over here green, and that is our answer. Now next one. What is given? Muskmelon. Have you seen muskmelon? How many seeds? One or many? It has many seeds. So just like watermelon, it has many seeds. And what is the size of muskmelon? It is small. And what is the color of muskmelon? It is yellowish orange color. What is the color? Yellowish orange. Yellow orange color it has. Next, papaya. I hope you have seen papaya. Does it have one seed or many? Of course, it has so many seeds inside. And is it small? Yes. Then what is the color? Orange yellow color. Papaya, orange yellow color. So as I have written over here, orange yellow color it has. Next one, lychee, the last one. Have you seen lychee, the fruit? Does it have one seed or many? It has only one seed. So let us tick mark 1. Is it small or big? It is small. Then what is the color of lychee? Have you seen the color? It is pinkish color. It is like pinkish. So let us write P-I-N-K-I-S-H. Pinkish. It is pinkish color. And let us put it over here, pinkish. So we have seen 10 types of fruits with their shape, seed and colors. Apple, ladyfinger, orange, mango, grapes, bananas, watermelon, muskmelon, papaya, lychee. Now let us revise the question answers. So here I have question answers of chapter 1, types of plants. Let us see. First one, what are the strong woody stems of trees called? These are the strong woody stems of the trees. It is very strong. What are they called? So the strong and woody stems of trees are called trunks. This is our main answer. Trunks. That is our main answer. What is the main answer? Trunks. The strong and woody stems are called trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S. Trunks. See, these are trunks. And do you see half of the answer is from the question? See, from here, the strong and woody stems of trees. Same thing you have to copy in the answer. The strong and woody stems of trees are called trunks. You have to add only this much. Are called trunks. Then number 2, name the different parts of plant. So which are the different parts of the plants that we have studied? As you can see over here, fruit, stem, fruit, root, leaf, seed, etc. All these are the different parts of the plant. See, flower is also there with which we can make perfume. So flower, fruit, seed, leaf, root and stem. See, one easy trick is there. Two are the words which starts with F. F for flower, F for fruit. Then S. S for seed, S for stem. So two are very easy. One will start with F. See, F and F. Flower and fruit. S and S. Seed and stem. Then root and leaf. These are the different parts of the plants. Then number 3. Name the different types of plants. So which are the different types of the plants that we studied? Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers. Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers. These are the 5 types of plants that we had studied. Next, what do green plants need to make their own food? So how do green plants prepare their own food? See, this photosynthesis process is there. So let us read the answer. Green plants need sunlight, air and water for making food. So what do they need? Sunlight. Then they need air. Then they need water for making food. These 3 are the most important things that plants need for making food. Which are the 3 things? Sunlight, air, water. These 3 things are the most important things that plants need for making food. What is the spelling? SUNLIGHT, sunlight. AIR, WATER, water. These are the three things that plants need for making food. Number 5. Where do plants store extra food? Like we have extra food in our stomach, sometimes we eat extra. So where is the extra food stored in the plants? Plants store extra food in, where do they store? In roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. These are the parts where plants store extra food. They can store in leaves, in stems, roots, fruits and seeds. These are the things, these are the parts. These are 5 parts where plants store extra food: roots, stems, leaves, fruit and seeds. Now let us revise the notes of chapter 2, means chapter 2 question answers. So what is the first question? Name any 3 things that can be made out of wood. So which are the 3 things that we can make with the help of wood? House, furniture, boards. These are the 3 things that can be made with the help of wood. See, table, chair, boat, house. So many things can be made out of wood. Even the paper which we write on is made out of wood. So what is the spelling? HOUSE, house. FURNITURE, furniture. BOATS, boards. Number 2. What is a spice? So what is the meaning of spice? A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark. So spice contains all these things. It can be seed, fruit, root or the bark. And what is the work of spice? Spice adds flavor to our food and it makes our food attractive. It looks tasty when you add spices. Next, number 3. Where do we get fibers from? So from where do we get fibers with which we can prepare clothes? So we get fibers from cotton and jute plant. So cotton and jute plant gives us fibers. And what can we do with the help of fibers? With the help of fibers we can make clothes. Then number 4, where do we get rubber from? So have you ever imagined the rubber that we use? Where do we get it from? We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. So as you can see, this is rubber tree and the juice of the rubber tree is falling down. So this juice gives us rubber. So the answer is we get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. Next, write 2 examples of cereals and pulses. So which are the 2 cereals? Rice and wheat. Rice and wheat are 2 cereals. And which are the 2 pulses which are shown over here? Moong and kidney beans. See, here are moong and kidney beans. These are the 2 cereals and these are 2 pulses. So one short worksheet again at last for revision. Cross the odd one out. Whichever is the odd one, we have to cross. We have to put wrong sign over there. So banyan, sunflower, coconut. So which one is the odd one? Sunflower is different than banyan and coconut. So it is odd one out. Next, rose, bean, hibiscus. So which is the odd one over here? Rose, bean, hibiscus. These are 2 flowers, right? So this one is odd, this is different. So let us cross this one. It is odd one out. Next one, lotus, water lily, banyan. So which one is the odd one over here? Lotus, water lily, banyan. Can you see anyone? Banyan is the odd one. See, lotus and water lily are in same category, but banyan is a different tree. So that is odd one. We cross it. Next, grapevine. Then what is given? Money plant, coriander. Anyone odd? Can you see any odd image over here? See, coriander, money plant, grapevine. Any odd one can you see over here? These are 2 creepers. So this one is the odd one. Coriander is the odd one out. So we have to cross out. We have to cancel it. Next, last one. What is given? Water lily, grass, bottle gourd. Can you see any odd one out over here? Water lily, grass and bottle gourd. See, these two will come in the same category. Water lily and grass. Only the bottle gourd, this one is different than these two. So that is odd one. We have to cancel it. So this one is the odd one out. So I hope this worksheet is clear. In today's video, we solved the worksheets based on lesson 1 and lesson 2. And we also learned the question answers of chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, all of you, goodbye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.